Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on Etrade. First, ensure you have the appropriate options trading approval level on your account. You can check this in your Etrade profile settings. Next, log into your Etrade account and locate the trading platform. From there, you will need to select the specific stock or exchange-traded fund you wish to trade options on. This initial step is crucial for setting up your options order correctly and efficiently. Once you've selected your underlying asset, you'll need to decide whether to buy a call option, betting on a price increase, or a put option, anticipating a price decrease. Then, choose your desired strike price and an expiration date that aligns with your market outlook. Finally, specify your order type, such as a limit order, and the number of contracts you wish to purchase. Each contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Before executing your trade, it is vital to thoroughly review all the order details. Double-check the underlying asset, option type, strike price, expiration date, and quantity. Options trading involves significant risk, and you could lose your entire investment. Ensure you understand these risks. Once you are confident in your selections, confirm the trade to send your order to the market for execution. This final check helps prevent costly errors. After your order is executed, it's important to continuously monitor your options positions. Market conditions can change rapidly, affecting the value of your options. You might choose to close your position before expiration to lock in profits or limit losses. Remember, options can expire worthless if the market doesn't move as anticipated. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Managing your trades actively is key to successful options trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.